Hello everyone, welcome to the Salesforce Administration course. In this video, I'm going to explain what and all the topics we are going to cover up under the Salesforce Administration. Before going to further, like why we are going to learn the Salesforce Administration, why we have to know about the Salesforce that we have to know, right? I'll explain you. First thing, it's a in-demand skill. Second, like more career opportunities is there. Third, like it will help to optimize our business. It's a, some CRM in the sense like customer relationship management. It's a cloud-based platform. Cloud is like cloud computing, how trend it is. So that's the reason. Then like it's absolutely we can customize and we can develop our applications. It's helpful for data analytics and reporting, and it's building like community and networking. Like many reasons is there. Considering all these reasons, like we have to learn this Salesforce technology. Like it's something it will make you to land on some high paying, high demand job. Okay. So now we are going to see like what and all the contents we are going to cover up. Okay, in module 1, introduction to the Salesforce. In that introduction, we are going to see like fundamentals of the cloud computing, CRM basics, then like how you have to create your own Salesforce experience org, then like difference between the Salesforce Classic and Lightning experience. In module 2, we are going to cover up like model your Salesforce data, like what is database tables versus object, like that thing, how you can able to create standard and custom objects. Standard objects we are not able to create, like that is provided by Salesforce. We can create custom object. What is data types? What is relational modeling? What is schema builder? Everything we are going to cover up under this module 2. On in this module 3, like we are going to cover up how you can able to customize your Salesforce UI. So in that module, like what is app manager and tab, like using record types, how you can customize your page layouts, list views and related list, like how about the compact layouts will work, compact page layouts will work, like app builder, this everything we are cover up under this customize the Salesforce UI. In this next module, like aggregating and validating data, like for we can using validation rule, duplicate rules, like using data aggregations and formula fields, we can restrict something, like we can do some requirement, like we can cover up some requirements also in that. So that and only like we can cover under this aggregating and validating data. So next we will see like automation business processes. Like Salesforce is providing some automation tools also. So like I'll segregate that as a part 1, part 2 and part 3. Like in first part we are going to look like what is workflow rule, how it will work, how the process builder will work, email templates and everything we will cover up in the part 1. In the part 1 I'll create like separate module that like in that we are going to look how the like process automation will work, assignment rules, flow builder, like mostly we will look on the how flow builder will work. Okay, it's flow is something advanced, like kind of compared to process builder and workflow. Flow is something like advanced features provided by Salesforce. That one we will cover up in this automation business processes module 2, like part 2 we will cover up. Okay, in part 3 we are going to cover up the approval process things. So it's a bit advanced, more than the flows. Okay, so this part 1, part 2, part 3 about the automation business process is highly important one. Next we are going to see like managing data accesses in Salesforce. Like we are going to look on the profiles, permission sets, field level security, user management, everything we will cover up in this module. In next module is completely relates to security things. like who sees what in Salesforce. Like it's something like security, data security things, OWD, sharing settings, record ownership, record sharing, profile visits, roles, everything we will cover up in this module. So next, like this module and previous module, we will cover up the data security relevant stuffs. Next, we are going to cover up audit and troubleshoot Salesforce data. So audit logs, field history tracking, debug logs, email logs, login history and IP whitelisting, everything we are going to cover up under this audit thing. Okay. So next in this module, we are going to cover up like data management in Salesforce. So in data management, we are going to cover up data loader, uploading relational data in Salesforce, best practices for data management. Everything we will cover up in this. So once we are completing this, maximum of the Salesforce core features we will learn. Then like final module like reports and dashboard. This is purely for like data analytics, how the analytics tool, how it will work. It's kind of that only. Like we can create reports, we can create dashboards we all aware, right? Like pie charts, some chart kind of things also we can create. Different charts is there. So everything we will cover up under this reports and dashboard module. So after learn all the Salesforce core features, so we are going to build two projects. One is building an email flow for project management module. So in that, like we have many features like project kickoff mail, task assignment notification, task completion emails, project update, deadline reminders, collaboration invoice, project completion email, like that, everything we can do. So this project we are going to cover up, and one more project is restaurant e-management system. So in that also, like we have this kind of features available. So using these two projects, you will learn the Salesforce core concepts thoroughly. It's purely beginner friendly, so everyone can start with it. So coming to the certifications part, like how much demand in the skill in market. Same case, we have to clear up the certifications. That too very important. Like you have to clear the certification, that is highly recommendable. So after completing this course, we can able to crack the Salesforce admin, Salesforce advanced admin, Salesforce app builder certification. So in this class, we are not only taking the theoretical part, we are going to cover up the practical sessions. We are going to conduct more practical sessions. We are going to ask scenario based questions. So it will help you to crack these certifications. If you go through the class correctly, if you're doing the assessments and all, it's very easy to crack the certifications. So I explained everything about the content, what and all we are going to cover up under the Salesforce administration in this video. So I hope everyone get it, like why we have to learn the Salesforce, how the certification is important, what are all the content core features we are going to cover up under the Salesforce administration course. So thank you everyone.